Hi everybody, I'm making lemon rice and it came out so good. So right here, I have a hot saucepan and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 cup of jasmine rice. I'm gonna stir that a little bit. Now this is 1/8 of an onion and 1 chopped garlic clove. Okay, so just chop up your little onion and garlic and add that. Stir that to combine. And on a medium flame, I'm going to cook this for 3 minutes. Just cook it. Don't walk away. Just stir it constantly just to let all those flavors combine. Now I'm adding 2 cups of chicken broth. Give that a little stir. Now let's put some flavor. Right here I have salt, turmeric, thyme, and oregano. This rice came out so good. I really like this. This is a tablespoon of lemon. Oh man, that really takes it over the top. So now I'm gonna raise the heat and let it come up to a boil. And when you see it start to bubble like this, you cover it, lower the flame to a simmer, and leave it alone for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, this is what you end up with. A beautiful, golden, flavorful rice. This really came out good. This is one of my favorite rice dishes. A little bit of parsley on top, just to make it pretty. This is a really good side dish, you guys. So this is my lemon rice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.